Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to spend my day in nature. Let's start with the journey. These roads are very nice and peaceful. On the way, we stopped for breakfast. Here we saw so many travelers and also saw some hens and sheep. Here I saw a black hen which is completely black. After some time, we stopped to see beautiful flowers which were white in color. On the flowers, sunshine from the sun is falling and making the flowers very pretty and beautiful.
Today I came to a beautiful river. Here I will play in the river. Watch how I play. Even I will collect shells and also stones. Already I found one shell. It looks very beautiful.
Here I have seen pretty orange butterflies and shiny fish swimming in the water. The water was very clear that we can see fish moving in the water. They all were very cute. A pink dragonfly flew and landed on a grass twig. A cow is drinking water from the river. The place where we parked our car is very beautiful with so many big trees. Even the roots are also very big. We can sit on them. The water was very clear and some statues of gods were there. There were so many big rocks to sit in the river. Me and my father started searching for different rocks and shells. This is how the river looks.
In this river, the water is not too deep, so people are learning to swim.
On this tree, there are so many birds relaxing.
There are tiny fishes around my leg. Look at that. Oh, they are very cute. They're all coming in a path near me. Oh, I want one, but I can't take them. They have to live in the river, not in the grass. Until then, I'll collect some rocks.
Here I am making some fun with my father by showing the rock. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video of my day in nature. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.